Sullivan County is coming from a small person with a very big heart. Second grader Ethan Carpenter from Clinton decided that he wanted to raise money for those impacted by the deadly tornado. Ethan got the idea because he saw everyone else doing fundraisers, so he decided to start a lemonade stand. It was set up at Sportsland Park, and some of his friends joined him in the effort. Ethan says his goal is to raise at least $1,000 and deliver the money to Sullivan himself.
When I hold it, I just knew I had to help them. Because there's a bunch of people out there who needs help.
It's knowing that I, as a mom, and his father are doing correct as raising him, and his stepfather and his stepmother. He's came a long way in these last couple of years, and it just shows his maturity, and he has a heart of gold.
Certainly does. The lemonade stand will be set up at Sportsland Park again tomorrow from 5 until 7:30 p.m.